This is Dr. Rohan Jamenis. I practice in Pune. I am a prosthodontist and I have been practicing implantology for the last 10 years. I have been the part of ISOI for the last 11 years and I have been in the committee for the last 6-7 years. It's the primary or the premier body of implantologists in India with over 2,000 members. What it promotes is education through its vast network and through a variety of scientific events, starting with the annual conference. Then there are other avenues for learning, the midterm conferences, the study circles, etc. I urge people to become members of ISOI. So I urge all implantologists, budding implantologists, youngsters to attend this conference. There is a plethora of international and national speakers. It's worth attending. Thank you, DentistChannel.Online and Team ISOI. The theme of the conference is Precision in Tertiary Dentition.
Hi, I am Dr. Anand. I am practicing in Pune for the past 22 years and I am into 7 years into implantology. I have been an ISOI executive committee member for the past 4 to 5 years. I have been working with ISOI closely in the conferences and in the day-to-day affairs. ISOI is the only implant association in India, so I urge all of you to become a member of ISOI. ISOI runs an accreditation program and I also request everybody to take up this program, which will show you apart from all the other dentists practicing in your area and in the country. ISOI has been into education for quite a long time. The upcoming conference in Mumbai is one more step towards imparting dental and implant education to all the dental and implant practitioners. I also request all of you to come and attend this conference in large numbers. The conference is going to be one of its kind with a large number of Indian and foreign speakers with good hands-on programs and a lot of interaction, trade amongst your fellow members. I also request everybody to be a part of the ISOI adjunct activities like the study clubs, the midterm conferences and all other activities conducted by ISOI. Please visit the 26th annual conference of the ISOI conducted in Mumbai at the Renaissance Hotel, Powai. Thank you, DentistChannel.Online and Team ISOI. Precision in the tertiary dentition.
I am Dr. Deepak Kulkarni, a maxillofacial surgeon and an implantologist. I am practicing in Pune for last 40 years and I was also a dean of a prestigious college in Pune for last 4 years. I have seen implant dentistry growing very fast over last 2 decades and I feel that the education in implant dentistry should be more structured and should be imparted in the postgraduate curriculum on all the colleges in India. Indian Society of Oral Implantologists, popularly known as ISOI, is the body which will help to give this particular information and the education. I appeal to all the members to attend the 26th annual conference conducted by ISOI at Mumbai in month of August 2019. Thank you, DentistChannel.Online and Team ISOI. Precision in tertiary dentition.